What an honor
Welcome.
to meet you, Your Holiness. Thank you so much. For you receiving a visit to Africa, you're uplifting the young. 1650 Psalms that still today we read during Lent on the national. I thought I would speak to the passions of
The members. This is Mrs. Fisher's wordly autograph for you also, but it's what we've been speaking about, photographic album of the Apostolic Palace here. So some of the rooms you've seen as you've come through, but many. Small souvenir. Please be courageous. Look forward to
take care of yourself.
Thank you
Your
very
Holiness.
much.
My honor.